All right, language explorer. So let's look at today's word of the day. Asparagus. 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 A thin green plant. Thin. That has green shoots and is eaten a lot. So these shoots here. Green shoots. Yeah. Yeah. So, do you like asparagus? Yeah. Yes, I like asparagus. Yeah. How often do you buy asparagus? No, we don't buy asparagus often. Yeah, rarely. Rarely. Yeah. When did he last eat asparagus? Well, he might have eaten asparagus with her. So he might have eaten it with her together. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They have always grown asparagus. Yeah. Yeah, so we think that asparagus is very healthy. Hence why we grow it. We think it's healthy, therefore we grow it. How cool is that? He ate too much asparagus. Yeah. Ooh. Too much asparagus is not good for you. Yeah, too much. Too much. Yeah, not good for you. Yeah. So she is planting more asparagus. Do you think that asparagus will grow in hot countries? I'm not sure. I really don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know. How cool is that? Yeah. When do you think they'll eat the asparagus? So they will only eat the asparagus when they are really hungry. Yeah. Until then, the asparagus will just rot away. It'll rot away. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, asparagus. How cool is that? So, can you use asparagus in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.